So quite obviously this time I don't want to do this, dude. Quite seriously, man. I really don't want to do this because this time it's gonna be on a highway though, and yep. Oh god damn it. Am I even allowed to do this? I'm gonna literally cry. I'm gonna bawl my eyes out, dude. Seriously, man, because holy mother of God. Holy moly. This isn't what I wanted. This isn't what I wanted. Was the return? Oh, is it? I don't know. But
क्या बात कर रहे रे बाबा?
I'm just gonna follow that damn bike going over there because I am hell of afraid to just okay, man. I'm literally way too afraid to do this. Oh my god. That which the road which I came from before, it's a damn single road, man. How can a highway just converge into a single road? It's just too absurd to be true, right? So anyhow, I'm literally way too afraid to do this because always when I have vlogged the all of my vlogs were on, like, good nice scenic roads, single roads, no tension. I mean, there was some sort of tension though, but not like the
खत्म, बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया.
I was not afraid to vlog on those roads, man. And yeah, in these roads I am literally afraid to vlog. Even vlog, not even vlog though. I'm afraid to ride on these roads because they are so wide and people drive like total maniacs, just like the guy over there with family going on a very wrong lane which is only meant for cars. Oh my god. The left lane is meant for bikers though, like the short left lane, but anyhow. Oh my god. The wind blast in the highways, that on a naked bike. It's way too crazy. It's way too crazy. The wind blast, oh my god. It will throw you off your balance, man. Like, yo, what the hell? And yeah, I'm still really waiting for my, what you see that see that. I mean, I don't know if the camera recorded that or not, but there was a damn Mountain Dew bottle thrown out of some random guy's window, which is floating around the national highway. Do you understand the importance of the term national highway? It's a nation's property, and you are littering that, dude. These roads are meant. See that again.
Mountain Dew, dar ki maa.
That's what I'm talking about. This throwaway stuff. And so I am a big fan of TVS, man. Like, okay, Bajaj, you're doing a very good job on making your lovely bikes. NS400, which has the same engine as the Dominar, and the N series, class. I love the N series, the N160, the N250. Wow. I mean, look, you have used the same engines as F250 also. Look, man, I don't care. A bike is a bike. No matter what engine you put in, it just runs, it looks good, it feels good. So yeah, you got a bike there. So that's how it works. And yeah, I'm proud of Bajaj. You're doing a good job. See, I somehow feel like the TVS is way too underrated for any of the things. Like any of the bikes you compare, TVS and all those popular two-wheelers in TVS, but what about the TVS RTR 310? What about the TVS RR 310? Dude, those bikes, I tell you, man, I really tell you, those bikes are, dude, the TVS RTR 310 is one gem of a bike. Look, man, all I'm gonna say is TVS RTR 310. Just buy it before it discontinues, man, because that's one hell of a motorcycle. Good electronics, good safety systems, and whatnot. A powerful 310cc engine. What else you need, man? And wait, what the hell did I see? There was a crock thrown out on the national highway. Wow, just wow. I mean, I can't, speechless. I'm literally speechless. So, however though, it shouldn't be like the Mojo 300, man. Mojo 300 was an excellent adventure sports bike, man. It was like a mini Dominar in some ways, and it had dual exhaust at that very time. Like that era was